Welcome. In this video, I want to talk about drafting settings. Now, drafting settings or drafting tools is basically a tool which will improve your efficiency working on AutoCAD, especially for drafting. Okay, so these tools you will find either in drafting setting command, that is DS enter drafting settings, a dialog box. Okay, DS enter. There are a lot of options. We will be discussing every option in drafting settings, or else the similar tool you will find on the right hand side bottom of your AutoCAD. Okay, most of tools are available of drafting settings which will be used for effectively using AutoCAD. So that will improve your speed in AutoCAD. Okay, if you are using a previous older softwares, you will find that tool below your command line. Okay, small icons or a text like ortho or snap or drag texts. Okay, so what we have in drafting settings is basically we control the display. Okay, so either snap and grid or object snaps, so it makes us easier dynamic input. So these settings makes us easier to work in our draft designs. Okay, so easy to catch the points, easy to draw a horizontal vertical lines, easy to draw a specific angle lines. Okay, easy to activate a command. So these all things can be done if you understand a drafting setting. Okay, so this can be used as a effective tool for your improving your drafting skills in AutoCAD. Okay, so that is your drafting settings. In coming videos we will be discussing about the each command or each tab which is available in drafting settings. Okay, thank you.